Hi everyone, I hope everyone is doing well. In today's episode, I'm going to show you how to password encrypt your files in Excel. In order to do that, I have created here an Excel sheet in a very simple way, and I have write hello world. And in order to password encrypt your files, we are coming file section, and from file section, we are clicking info. And from info, we say protect workbook, clicking this, and from here, we are selecting encrypt with password. We're clicking this, and here we have to put some password that we desire. In this case, we're gonna select, and then we're entering password. I'm clicking OK, and once the confirmation of the password that we entered first, I'm putting once again, and please click once again OK, and the file is now encrypted. I'm closing the file. It says save it once again before you're closing it, and then we're coming inside into the file that we have saved the Excel sheet. Clicking twice and requires the password. I'm re-enter the password and clicking OK. And here we have the file shown, as you see. In order to remove the password, we're coming to file section, and from file section we are coming once again to info, and here we say protected workbook, and we're coming once again to encrypted with password. And from here you are removing your password that you entered. I just want to point that if you're not the owner of the file, or you forget your password, then you cannot obviously remove the password from the encrypted file. I removed the password because it was written and we are the owner of the file. I'm clicking OK. I'm coming back. I'm saving once again. I'm closing it, and I'm just try to open the workbook. And as you can see now, no any password is required in order to unlock the file. So the video was like this. I hope you like this video. If you like it, please give a big thumbs up, and if you're not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe in order to see more future content. Until the next one, have a nice day. Bye bye.